Sure, I'm glad that that's over with. As a homesteader, this is one of the things that I dread the most, is the spring cleaning of the chicken coop. It gets pretty bad in here over the winter. We finally had a nice warm day where I could get this cleaned out. I'm glad it's over with for the year. Normally we don't let it get that bad during the summer, but it gets pretty bad during the winter. Now they're all set. I just topped off their water, put fresh straw in the nesting boxes, so they should be set for a while now.